Bootstrap includes 260 glyphicons. They can be used in almost any HTML element, including text, buttons, toolbars, navigation, and forms. This HTML page contains some examples of different icons you can use. For a full list of icons, visit the URL below. In order to display an icon on your page, create a span element as shown here, and add the Glyphicon class. Also add the class of the specific icon you want to use. So we can see in this first example, we start with the text envelope, and next we have our span element. You can see that the span element has two classes, Glyphicon and Glyphicon envelope. And that's really all it takes to include an icon on your page. The next three icons follow the exact same format. The only difference is we've changed the icon type. So you can see we have search, heart, and star empty. Now, the next example, we've embedded an icon inside a button. So we have the search glyphicon inside these two buttons. And doing that is simple. We use the same span element and the same class format, but we just insert it in between our open and close button tags. The next button is the same thing. We have a search glyphicon. The only difference is that this button uses the button warning class, and that's why it's an orangish color. And then there's just some other examples here. We have a print glyphicon. And lastly, we've embedded a print glyphicon inside a link element. So you can see we start with the open A tag. We specify the class for this link, which is button, button success, and button large. So that's what gives it this styling. And next we just create our span element and insert our two classes, Glyphicon and Glyphicon print. And that's what adds that icon right before the label print.